Number 2. We are slowing down and want to know the net force. Since we're slowing down, I think it's going to be negative. Okay, so the sum of the forces, that's like a little subscript. F equals ma, as long as F and A are in the same direction. We want to know the net force. Okay. So if we can find the mass and the acceleration, we can find the force. To find acceleration, I think we need to do some kinematics, which means we need 5 possible variables. As long as they give us 3, we can calculate the 4th. That's how kinematics works. We're sure hoping we can find an acceleration out of this. So it went from 20 to 5. So the original was 20, and the final was 5. And it took 4 seconds, so that's our time. So hey, they gave us 3 numbers. We can calculate a 4th. The equations look like this. So VF squared equals V original squared plus 2A change in X. Change in X equals V naught T plus 1/2 AT squared. And VF equals V naught plus AT. Okay, so I very recently had these memorized, so it's all very new. So we're looking for an equation that has V naught, VF, T, and A. We don't need one with delta X. We don't have delta X. We're not looking for delta X. We need the one that doesn't have delta X. So I think we need to use this one. So I'm going to say VF equals V naught plus AT. So the final is 5. The original is 20. We're solving for acceleration, and it took 4 seconds. So if I subtract 20 from each side, we get negative 15 equals A times 4. Negative 15 over 4 equals A. That ends up being something. Negative 3.75 is our acceleration. So if we do F equals ma, the mass is 2,000. Make sure that's in kilograms, but we're already in kilograms, so that's fine. And the acceleration is negative 3.75. So if I multiply those, I get negative 7,500 newtons. That's the unit, negative 7,500 newtons. And how far, ooh, I didn't read the full question. And how far the car traveled. Oh. Okay, so they want us to find delta X also. So you can pick your favorite equation now that we have them all. I think I'm going to do this one just because, and I'm going to change colors because there's a lot happening. Part 2, how far? So I'm going to use this one. So we say delta X is V naught T plus 1/2 AT squared. V naught's 20, T is 4, plus 1/2 acceleration is negative 3.75. T is 4, and we're going to square it. So the T goes in this formula in 2 places, but you still use the same form. So 20 times 4 is 80. Half of negative 3.75 times 4 times 4 is negative 30. So we went 50 meters. That's a weird question. So it took us 50 meters and a force of negative 7,500 newtons to slow us down and do that thing. All right.